laugh at me, for God is working on my life. Give me some time, He will be true with me. When He finishes with me, people will join me to praise the Lord. Oh, yes. Do not laugh at people because of what they are going through. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I believe you are doing fine, and I'm doing fine too. Guys, if today is the first time you're coming across my channel, my name is Mary. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. I base here in Austria. You are welcome to my channel. Guys, in today's video, I will be talking about do to others what you will want others to do unto you. Do to people what you want people to do to you. So that is our topic today. So before then, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. Thank you. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and share. Thank you. So let's dive into the video. Guys, like I said before, in today's topic is do unto others what you want others to do unto you. Do to people what you want people to do to you. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Yes. This life, how you want your life to, how you want people to treat you. Treat people the same. You don't treat people bad, then expect people to treat you good. No. It's what you give, that is what you get. You don't give hate and expect love. No. When you give hate, expect hate also. So learn how, if you want good things for yourself, learn how to do good things. If you want people to treat you well, learn how to treat people well as well. If you want people to respect you, learn how to respect people. If you don't respect people, don't expect people to respect you. Because as they say, respect is reciprocal. You respect people, people respect you. So, treat people the way you want people to treat you. People always want, people go about doing then, me. Then. It have to be me. It have to be me. No. You don't give people rubbish and expect diamond back. It's what you give. That is what you get. Treat people the way you want people to treat you. You will say, let's for instance, let me make this example. Someone will come to you. I want to use this as an example now. I'm not saying it's me, right? I just want to make example. Someone will come to you and said, please, I need help. And there is something that I want to do. I'm finding it difficult to do it because I don't know how to go about it. Everyone needs each other. We all need ourselves. Everyone needs it. We need, this hand needs to wash this hand so that it will be clean. We need people around us. So let me continue. They will not come to you and say, I need help. There is this thing that I want to do. I don't know how to go about it. I don't know what to do. I have tried so many things. I don't know what to do. Please, can you help me? Then you will not say, oh, what is that thing? They will explain it to you. Then you will not help them find a way out. How they can, what they can do, how to go about it to get to that thing that they want. After they have gotten that thing that they want, they will not talk to you anymore. After they have gotten that thing that they want, they don't come close to you anymore. After they have gotten that thing that they want, they don't even remember if you exist anymore. And these same people, if it's only water they give to someone else to drink, they will expect that person to appreciate them, even to be thanking them every day for giving them, for her that she give them water. This same person is the same person that someone has helped one way or the other. After collecting that help, he abandoned this person and don't even know if this person exists anymore. Guys, let's learn how to treat people the way we want people to treat us. If you want respect from people, you respect people. Respect is not by age, it's not by seniority. You can even respect a little child. When you disrespect a little child somehow, I'm not saying that you should be kneeling down or greeting a little child, but there's a way you respect people. You respect a little child. If you disrespect a little child somehow, that little child can insult you. Why? Because you did not respect yourself. When you respect people, as you are respecting people, you are also respecting yourself. And it's the way you carry yourself that people respect you. Don't look for what you are not giving. When you are looking for respect, give respect to people. When you are looking for appreciation, want people to appreciate you always. When you do something good for them, do you appreciate the people that have done something good for you? Check yourself and see. Do you appreciate people that do good for you? Or do you just collect that good and just walk away and don't remember them anymore? Don't you think this thing is something like a karma? If you are this type of person that always think that, oh, I do good for this person, the person don't remember me anymore, think back. Do you do that same thing to someone else? Think back. Let's always treat people the way we want to be treated. We should not allow everything just be all about me, we. Just all about yourself. No. Think about others. Anytime you are doing things, always think about other people's feeling. Always think about this thing that I'm doing to this person. If someone do it to me, how will I feel? That is very, very important. When you think about that, just think about how will I feel if someone do the same thing to me. When you think about that, you will now know how to treat people. Do to others what you want others to do unto you. Don't treat people like rubbish and expect people to treat you like gold. Always learn how to respect yourself. And when someone do good for you, don't beat people for their good. That is our common word. We say, the good when I do for them, it don't beat people for my good. Yes, don't beat people for their good. If there's a parable that says, anyone remember where rain for beaten, you go remember where sun for drying. Yes, something like that. So, guys, let's learn how to be appreciative people when they do something for us. We should not be the one that whenever we need something from someone, we just come to the people. We pretend as if we are so good just because of what we want to get. After getting that thing that you want to get, then you just go out. Then the person will not see the real you. And when someone else not do it to you, then you will start feeling somehow. No. Check yourself. Whenever somebody treats you bad, somehow, look at yourself and check yourself. Have I done this type of thing to someone before? Yeah, I just want to chip this in. People look down on people so much. Don't look down on people. Do not look down on anyone because nobody knows tomorrow. That person you are looking down on, tomorrow it might be better than you. Don't look down on people. People take people's situation to mock them. People look at people's situation and say their own is finished. People see people in some situation and look at them and say, oh my God, look at this person. Her own is finished. But tomorrow, when that person will rise tomorrow, it might be better than you that mock that person. Life is ups and down. Today might be rough, tomorrow will be smooth. Do not laugh at people for their situation. Do not mock people for because of what they are going through. Don't don't mock people because you are not God. Also, there is a parable that say, oh no, okay, I wanted to say it with my language is, oh no one nagbonfo or ijoro hello. Someone that has not gone through this life does not laugh a blind person because you don't know tomorrow if you will be blind also. Because I have seen so many situations where people mock people for a situation for what some people are going through. Then tomorrow they will not be in that situation. And then when they not be in that situation, I believe when you are in that situation, you will not look back to remember that you once mocked somebody that was in that situation. Please, guys, let us learn how not to mock people when they are going through one thing or the other, because you don't know tomorrow. It's only God that knows tomorrow. Don't mock people when they are going through their phase of life. Life is phase, step by step. Some people go through situations somehow. When you find someone going through one situation or the other, do not mock them. Don't laugh at them because of what they are going through. Don't think because they are going through that thing that they are always finished. As far as God have not given up of them, don't think they are always finished. Do not laugh at people's situation. And also, young lady who have not given birth, see mothers that gave birth, see their children, they will be laughing at their children, laughing at this one is too ugly, this one head is big, this one is like this. When you have not given birth to your own, you don't even know how you're always going to look like tomorrow. Then when you now gave birth, then the child now look somehow. Then you will now say that, oh my God. Then if someone will not laugh at you, you will not say, this person is laughing at me. Do you remember what you have done to someone else? Do you remember that you have laughed at someone else's child? Do to people what you want people to do unto you. If you don't want people to laugh at you, do not laugh at people. Don't laugh at people's situation. Don't laugh at people when they are going through phase, when they are going through circumstance of life. Don't laugh at them because you don't know their tomorrow. You don't know what their tomorrow will bring. It's only God that knows our tomorrow. It's only God that knows our destiny. When people are going through things in life, do not mock them. Do not laugh at them. Because God is preparing them for tomorrow. God is using that thing that they are going through to prepare them for tomorrow. Like that song that musician, I don't remember her name, is a lady. Even if I sing it, anyone that knows the name of that musician will. He say, do not laugh at me, for God is working on my life. Give me some time, he will be through with me. When he finishes with me, people will join me to praise the Lord. Oh yes. Do not laugh at people because of what they are going through. Do not laugh at people because of their situation. Treat people the way we want people to treat you. I pray that we all will learn from this message not to laugh at people when they are going through one thing or the other in life. There are things that one go through for a life to be beautified. Just as they say, when before a gold becomes this beautiful gold that we all are wearing today, if they tell you where that gold go through. Some human beings are like gold. They go through some challenges to be beautified. They go through one problem or the other to be beautified to their future. God take them step by step to get to where they are destined. God take them from one step to the other step to get to where they are going. And when you meet them in that journey of where God is taking them, for that circumstance that they are passing through, where God is taking them from one step to another, do not mock them, do not laugh at them, because you don't know where they are going to. Also, do not laugh at people's children, because when you have not given birth to your own, do not laugh at people's children, because you don't know the one you are going to give birth to tomorrow. When you see some people that have children that have challenges, don't laugh at them, because you don't know tomorrow if you will give birth to a child that will have challenges. Any circumstance that people did not create for themselves, that just happened to them, please do not mock people. Don't laugh people for what they are going through. Thank you so much for watching. I just want to end it here. I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, share. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you.